Today I'm going to be replacing the emblem on this storage compartment for my 91 NSX. So it should be pretty simple. You just got to remove it. I removed it from the car already. Basically, you're just going to need to remove these screws along the edge to gain access. Now you can access these two nuts holding in the emblem. So these are little 7mm nuts, and I'm just gonna get these off real quick. So it should push through, but if yours is like mine and it's been on here for a while, you might want to pull up a little bit of the leather with it. I'm pushing from the bottom. So you're going to want to be a little bit careful. You may want to, you see the leather coming up, you may want to the little interior pry tool in there and press the leather down as you push up on this. Slowly work your way around. You don't want to do any damage. I'm sure the leather's strong, but you don't want to tear it by accident. Or personally, I just got mine refinished, so I don't want to damage the finish. Clean up now. Cleaned up. The old emblem. It's not too bad, but I found the new one on eBay pretty cheap, so figured might as well replace it. Used on the bottom. Just a little bit of damage on the old one. A few scratches, normal wear and tear, 30-year-old car. Alright, and here we go. This should be pretty easy. Just gonna want to press it through. Just like that. Looking pretty nice. And here we go. You're just gonna throw on these little nuts to secure it. Put everything back. Super simple. 8 screws back in.